Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make creamy poppy seed dressing. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you are on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making creamy poppy seed dressing. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have 3/4 cups of mayo, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of some ACV, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of some dry mustard, and a little salt and pepper to taste. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, get a bowl big enough for all your ingredients. Then we're just going to start adding our mayo. Got our milk, ACV, sugar, got your mustard, salt and pepper, got your poppy seeds, star of the show, and we're just going to mix this all up. There's our dressing. Let's take some pictures. Alright, well we got those pictures done, beautiful music to listen to while you're watching. Now let's dig into this salad. A little bit of greens with some strawberries, blueberries, avocado, and red onion. So let's get a strawberry on there. I'm just going to dip it a little bit in that. See how it clings to the salad, dresses it very nicely. You can see the poppy seeds in there. So we'll go ahead and take a bite. Mayonnaise makes it smooth and creamy. Got that milk in there to thin it out a little bit, add some more creaminess to it. The vinegar is giving it a little bit of acidity to make that stand out. Salt and pepper is bringing everything together. The poppy seeds are doing their job. Sugar makes it sweet, so it's a very good sweet and acidic dressing. Very good on this fruit salad here that we've got going on. Not actually a fruit salad, but a little bit of both. Nice spring salad. Big of a bite on there with the lettuce, but it does dress very nicely, clings very nice to the dressing. And the great thing is about it, you can get it in a sealed container. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to a week. You know, check your milk date that you added the milk to, and go from there. You can shake this up and use it again. Very convenient. So thanks a lot for watching. Remember, the recipes in the description box over the first pinned comment. Don't forget to see that. Like I've said, we made poppy seed dressing. I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves. See you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.